Today we are making a soft and fluffy roll cake, light, airy and filled with cream. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. Start by preparing your pan. Place a sheet of baking paper underneath. Then cut out the corners. Do this for all 4 sides. This little trick makes it easier to line your pan neatly. Now let's begin with the egg yolks. Add in the vanilla extract or paste. Then gradually mix in 28 grams of sugar. Use an electric mixer to whip the mixture until it turns a pale yellow. Next, let's move on to the egg whites. Add the remaining sugars in quarters, mixing each time until the mixture turns white and frothy. Now gently fold the whipped egg whites into the yolk mixture in quarters. Mixing carefully until everything is well combined and has a pale yellow color. Then sieve in the flour and mix until smooth. Pour the batter into your prepared tray, spreading it evenly. If you don't have a palette knife, a butter knife works just fine. Once the surface is even, bake in a preheated oven at 205 Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. While the cake is baking, prepare another sheet of baking paper on your workspace. Once the cake is out of the oven, transfer it onto the paper and carefully peel off the original baking sheet. Flip the cake so the brown side faces up. From the bottom, about 2 centimeters away, make a shallow, thin cut across the cake. This helps with rolling. Now gently roll it up and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Once cool, spread an even layer of whipped cream or your filling of choice over the cake. Carefully roll it up again, making sure everything stays tight and smooth. For the best texture and flavor, I recommend chilling before serving. For the perfect finishing touch, dust the top with a light layer of icing sugar. This not only adds a touch of sweetness but also makes the cake look extra beautiful. And there you have it, a light fluffy roll cake. Enjoy!